What's up, buddy? How you doing? Oh, see, you should have caught that on camera. That fool was just sitting in front of my face looking at me. I was like, yo, what's up? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What are you doing? I'm gonna get at you. I'm gonna get at you. Yeah, you better back up. What's up, little buddy? Deuces. Hey. Look at that hummingbird over there. Right there. That's the mean little nigga who come over and try and scare everybody away. He realized nobody was here and he don't even want to be here because that's what he wants to do. He wants to scare everybody away. He's like, nah, bro. Nah.
Can you go get my coffee, please?
Do you guys happen to have a cigarette?
Out here. She's got him.
Can I have a cigarette? Shank at you. You got a lighter?
Maybe.
Maybe. Here, I'll just spark it off your hot skin.
Good. I was thinking about. Shut up. I was thinking we could send it to your mom. Show her the hummingbirds. What do you think?
I don't know, but look at the hummingbirds now, because there's like a bunch. Look at them go, look at them, look at them, look at them, look. Look at them, look. Look how many there are. Now you see why I scared that one fool away. Like, I like it when there's a bunch of them. That one fool scared all of them away.
Yup.
Like, I hate that.
Holy crap.
Look at him go. Look, his mouth is all wide open. You should have seen that. That fool was squawking. You ever seen one of these things stick their tongues out? It's so crazy. They look like snakes. I was like, whoa, that fool's tongue just came down and licked his nuts. Like, they got long tongues. I didn't even know till one was sitting up here and he just stuck his tongue out and I saw the light like, whoa.
That is so cool.
The inmate bus crashed
Uh-oh.
on the freeway.
No way. That was so staged. You know it.
Yeah, them niggas in the fucking van did that shit. The inmates were like, yo, let's pull a Captain Jack Sparrow. Let's rock the boat.
Pook.
Ha.
Hey. Yo, girl, what that mouth do?
Nothing for you, boo-boo.
Wait, bitch, I got J's.
Are they OGs?
Yas.
Nah. That'll mean nothing.
Damn it, Sam. What?
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 What in a hat? Where, who, what, written, what? She touched me with my own camera. That's not a wand. Not a fairy. Gosh.
Psst.
Wait, on. Let me see the camera.
No,
Let me see the camera.
no,
You gotta
no,
face it to yourself.
No.
You gotta
No.
see yourself.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.